Today, I'll show you 3 different methods on how you can earn money by searching Google. The first platform we have here is called sarpklix.com. This platform is also completely free and you don't need any experience to start earning. They charge other companies and websites to help them rank higher on Google. Your job will be to search Google for these website names and then click on them to help them rank higher. So, you'll be making money by helping websites rank higher. You'll be paid from 0.1 to 0.5 cents for every website you click on. Make sure to watch until the end because the last method is where you can make the most money. The site has a minimum payout of just $5, which is very easy to reach. Once you reach $5, it will automatically be sent to your PayPal account. Most of you probably have a PayPal account, but for those who don't, I highly recommend creating one. No application is required, so you'll be accepted automatically after signing up. The only downside of this website is that you need to download the Firefox browser and a Firefox extension. Don't worry, there will be more methods. The second method to make money online is to use Respondent.io. With Respondent.io, you can earn up to $700 per hour. Companies like Microsoft and Dropbox use this website for research. This method requires more work, as you'll have to do a lot of Google searches and gather as much information as possible. But, you'll be paid well. For example, software developers can earn $200 per hour, marketers $150 per hour, and business owners $500 per hour. The final website on our list is Minsumo.com. This website is 100% real. On the home page, it says, "Deliver innovative ideas to the world's top brands." Companies go to this website to ask questions and improve their company. Most of the questions pay $1,600. All you have to do is click on one of them, copy the question, paste it into Google, find related answers, and then submit those answers on the website. It's easy, then start answering as many questions as you can. The more answers and articles you submit, the more chance you have to make money. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.